Let's see 15th question of the exercise 10.2. Here the perpendicular from the origin to a line meet it at the point -2, 9. Find the equation of line, which means perpendicular drawn from the origin. This is origin. Its coordinates will be 0, 0. Perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line. This is the line L, and we draw the perpendicular from the origin. This perpendicular will meet to the line at the point -2, 9. We have to find the equation of this line. Okay, so you know that if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then their product of their slope will be -1. So can you find the slope of this line, this perpendicular? Yes, because you know that this one point perpendicular we have drawn from the origin, means one point will be this, and this perpendicular meet at the line to the line at the point -2, 9. Means for this perpendicular the 2 points are 0, 0 and -2, 9. So which means you can use the 2 point form and you can find the slope of this line. Okay, and once you get the slope of this line, you can find the slope of this line, because m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So m2 is, suppose the equation of the slope of a line is m2. So m2 will be what? -1 upon m1. Okay, so m2 will get. After that we can use the point slope form and you can find the equation of a line, because this line is passing through this point also. Okay, so let's see. We'll write suppose it is O, this is P. So line, slope of a line, slope of a line perpendicular, slope of a line OP, which is perpendicular to the line L, will be slope OP, slope of OP will be equal to m1 will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which means y2, suppose it is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, so y2 will be 9 minus 0 upon x2 means -2 minus 0. Okay, so it will be m1 will be 9 minus 0 will be 9 upon -2 upon -0, it will be -2, which means we got -9 by 2. m1 will be -9 by 2. Now it is given that OP is a perpendicular on the line L. Since OP is perpendicular, OP perpendicular to the line L, therefore m1 into m2 will be what? -1, which means m1 is given here -9 by 2 into m2 will be what? -1. Minus minus will be cancelled, which means m2 will be what? This will be reciprocal. 1 upon 9 by 2 means it will be 2 by 9 by 2 means it will be 2 by 9, or we can write 1 upon 9 by 2, which means 2 by 9. m2 we got. Now equation of a line which pass through the point, which point? -2, 9 will be y minus y1, so y1 will be what? 9 equal to m2 will be 2 upon 9. This is the equation, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so we are using this y minus 9 equal to m means slope of a line 2 upon 9 into x minus x1. x1 will be what? Minus 2. So it will be minus minus, it will become plus 2, which means we can cross multiply. 9y minus 9 9s are 81 equal to 2x plus 2 2s are 4. Okay, which means you can shift this both the value. So 2x minus 9y, okay, and this is plus 4 and plus 81 equal to 0, which means 2x minus 9y plus 85, okay, equal to 0. This is the equation of a line.